Hey there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver, and I'm doing another quick video to show you what every driver should have in their car to be a 5-star driver and to get good tips and good ratings. So let's get right to it. If you haven't signed up to be a driver yet, there's a link below that will sign you up into Lyft, where it has my referral code embedded, and you'll be sure to get your sign-up bonus if you use that. So let's get right to what you need in your car. Let's do it. First thing, you should have charging cables. I have one for both Android and for iPhones. I use this for myself so my battery doesn't go dead, and also my passengers who get in and may need a little charge. They appreciate that they're able to do that during the course of the ride. The second thing you should have is you should have hands-free phone holders. Now there's 3 that I have used. I've used the ones that are the suction cups that suction on the inside of your windshield. I stopped using those because frequently they'll lose suction and fall, especially with heavier phones. I've had those in the middle of a ride just fall down to my feet. Dangerous, won't use them anymore. But this one is great for the phones that are a little bit heavier. They just attach into your vent. They accordion, they grab your phone, and this will hold a heavy phone. It's awesome. Very cheap. You can get any of these phone holders on Amazon or at the store for under 10 bucks. Not a bad deal. This is another one that I use. This is a magnet. It also fits in the vent, and I have a little magnet on the inside of the cover of your phone, and that'll hold your phone. So those are really good options. The other thing that I keep in my car is I keep a little bright LED flashlight, because if you're picking up or dropping off people at night and it's really dark, let's say somebody's going to the airport and they're going to your trunk, it's really nice to light the way and kind of see and get some clarity in the middle of the night. So this is always a nice thing to have. Another thing you should have in your car is tissue, common sense for yourself, for your riders. If you don't have it when you need it, you're going to be bummed. I also keep a towel in my trunk because you will, not frequently, but eventually you're going to be asked to pick up a service animal. And so it might be rainy, their paws might be really dirty, so it's nice to have a towel to lay down on your seat so you can protect your seat. So that's always a really, really good idea. Another thing that I do, a lot of drivers will hand out candy and gum, and I don't necessarily do that. I find that the best thing to hand out to people is bottled water. I just get water cheaply at Costco. I think this is 10 cents a piece. And on those really hot summer days, believe me, your customers will absolutely be grateful, and sometimes that translates into a nice little tip for you. And one of the most important things you should have as a driver is you should have your referral codes printed out. Add Vistaprint, go on, get your little code, pass those out, but only do if it makes sense. Sometimes you'll get a fare and there'll be 3 or 4 passengers, and if it goes into the conversation comfortably, just say, hey, does everybody have the Lyft app? Because if you don't, I've got some ride credits for you, and just hand them out. And if you do, then you get some money if they use it for the very first time, the first time user. So go ahead and do that. Always keep those in your car. I have them for both Uber and for Lyft. So those are some real basic things you should have in your car, and I've found over the course of driving for 2 years that those can really translate into good tips. People like to be taken care of, and if you're thoughtful and a good driver, and if passengers know that you're looking out for them, it's really, really nice. They rate you highly, and I would absolutely suggest having that. So hopefully that was helpful. If so, please subscribe, like my channel, and once again, I said if you haven't signed up to drive, there's a link below that will get your sign up bonus guaranteed if you go through my referral code, which is Pink Balloons. So have a great day, and hope to see you on the road.